Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Trina. If this is your first time here, welcome. Before you go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the growing family. And guys, make sure you do me a huge favor and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's get into this video for today. So this has been requested before and I was supposed to make a video, but I never did. So it came up again, so I was like, you know what, let me just make the video because I know that it's going to come up again. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you should know that I've been wearing my hair like off of my face, like either up in a bun or on a ponytail, or I've been wearing a head wrap, something similar to what I got going on right now. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, what the hell are you doing? Go and follow your girl. It's at Itsmisstrina89. That's Misstrina 89. Follow me, okay? So I've been doing a lot of looks as far as like my hair off of my face because I want the main focus to be on my makeup and on my face. So I've been wearing the head wraps and I've been getting a lot of requests to do, or asking me, not so much of a request, but asking me how do I wrap my hair at. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and film a video because somebody actually did ask me to film a video. So I said, let me go ahead and do it. And then for the other people that's been asking how do I do it, let me go ahead and give it to y'all because y'all obviously want it, so I'm giving it to you. So if you want to see how I wrap my head wraps, then keep watching. And where I've been getting my head wraps from as of late is Omas Cosmetics. I got 3 head wraps from them this go round. She restocked and she also got some new ones. It came with this card right here, as you can see, and it says, "Hi beautiful, thank you so much for your order. We truly appreciate you. Tag us to be featured on our page." And you can see it has her Instagram and Facebook name, so you guys make sure you go follow her and check her out. So I'm gonna show you guys the wraps that I received. I wanted to show you, this is the packaging that they came in. It's like these little gold sheer bags, which is really pretty. So each one came in a bag like this. So I got this one right here. How pretty is this? It's an orange, blue, and yellow one. And they're really long. They're nice and big. Okay, and then we also, this is my favorite. This one right here, which is this like mustard yellow and blue one, I think. And then it also has some black in it. I think this is so pretty. So pretty. Alright, and then we also got this one right here, which I believe this is one of the newer ones that she just came out with. It's like a pink and blue and white and black. So this one is really pretty too. When using these cotton hair wraps, I'm going to use this one, the pink one, today. When using these hair wraps, cotton, I don't know if you guys know this, but cotton is really not good for your hair as far as like wrapping it up in, because it can dry it out, which can cause damage, which can eventually cause breakage. So we want to make sure that we protect our hair in a silk scarf or some type of wrapping, hence why I have this little wrap on here, because this is actually going to protect my hair, and this is also, this part right here is going to help me with the height in my wrap. So if you guys want to see how I did this, I just did it like this. Okay, so I, you know, tied it like a regular scarf, and then I just twisted it around like this, and I just, you know, continue twisting like that. Like that. So that's how I got that going on right there, and just making sure that it's secure and tucked. Then I'm going to take this hair wrap right here from Omas Cosmetics, and I'm going to put it over my head like this. Now if you want your bun to be further back, you can push this back. So I'm just going to push mine back just a little bit. And then you want to take your wrap. Now some people like to cover their ears like this, but I like to have my ears showing a little bit, so I'll lift it up. And y'all know I'm a baby hair addict, so we gotta have those swoops in there, okay? Y'all already know I slayed my edges with Style Factor Edge Control. So I'm just gonna let my ears out some like that. Then you want to take it like this. You got 2 of these, right? Pull this middle part down some. And then we're going to tie it. And you don't want to tie it too tight, y'all, because these things will give you a headache if you tie it too tight. And then just start adjusting your knot underneath. Well, not underneath. Start adjusting the wrap, the knot, to how far back or how far up you want it. So I want mine to kind of back a little bit, so I'm just going to push it back some. Just gonna tie it, and then I'm going to tuck this part under. Like that. Then you want to make sure that you have your wrap, you know, placed where you want it at this point. Make sure it's not crooked or nothing like that. Adjust it now, because once you go in and do what we're about to do, it's going to be kind of hard to adjust it. It's going to like mess it up. Okay guys, so once you got this tied like this, you want to push this stuff back up in here like that, okay? You don't want that showing. Just pull your wrap to the front some more. Oop, there go my earring. Okay, make sure everything is centered. Make sure, you know, your ears is covered to the point that you want them covered. And then you're just going to take this like this. Take these 2 fingers, these, and just comb through like this. And then you want to wrap around. Make sure y'all get y'all kitchen too. Okay, you don't want your kitchen. You don't want your kitchen showing, so make sure you get that. So you want to take this, you want to wrap it. You want to wrap it around, and you want to tuck it. Tuck it right in here. Right here. It's a little opening. So just tuck it down like that. Then you want to do the same thing to the other side. Comb through. And then come around. And you want to tuck. Tuck in right there. And then you just want to make sure, you know, if you need to adjust your bun, adjust it. If you need to adjust the front to make sure that it's like laying right, adjust it. Make sure you get that kitchen. Okay, get your kitchen. Get your kitchen up in there. And just make sure everything is tucked. What it looks like. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back. This is what it looks like from the back. As you can see, nice and neat. Ooh. Oh, look at shape. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for me. I hope this was easy enough. This is kind of beginner friendly to me, if you ask me. I have other ways that I wear my head wrap, but I've been wearing it in this style as of late just because it's quick, easy, simple, to the point. If you guys want to see other ways that I wrap my hair wrap, then let me know down in the comments below and I'll give it to you guys. As I always say, let me know what you want and I will give it to you. You know, I'm not just going to be willy-nilly out here just posting stuff outside of makeup. If I know that you guys, if I'm unsure if you guys want to see it or not. So this was a request and I hope that my requestors are happy that I finally put out this video. You know. As always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Deuces. I'm friend me see you panicana. Panerodi hatarana sana. Analisa Daniela Misicala. Bobu girl bobu se de water. Send me get a text. That's the for me grip.